Hey guys, Stephen Gates here from myplctraining.com. Hope you're doing well. I've got another video today to help you become a confident PLC programmer. And today I'm just going to talk about Studio 5000 versions. So this is kind of a common question that people have is, how do I get the right version of Studio 5000? Do I need multiple versions? Which version is the one I should have? Well, Studio 5000 is interesting because you can have multiple versions of it on the same computer. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I think there's better ways to do it, but that's the way it works currently. So you can see I've got version 30 here. This is 30.11. I've also got 34.11 here. And you can see if you go to the help menu and you choose About Logix Designer, you can go here and see which one is being run on this machine as well. If we go to this one, About Logix Designer, it shows 30.01. So let's see. Okay, and then if you go to more info, it shows you all the versions installed on your computer. So I've got 30.01 and 34.01, which, as you can see, doesn't match this 30.11. That's another little annoying thing about Rockwell software is all these minor revisions sometimes show differently in different places. But anyway, the main thing is this major revision, so 30 and then 34. So you can have 10, 12 different versions on your computer, however many you need. I used to have easily 12 different versions when I was still working as an engineer, and that was just the nature of it because we would be in different plants, different facilities, equipment that we installed 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 3 years ago, troubleshooting different things. And, we'd be delivering this equipment to the customer and they wouldn't necessarily have us come doing updates regularly. So we would just need to be ready to troubleshoot systems with different versions, as low as version 16, for example, which was when it was still called RS Logix 5000. So anyway, just so you know, make sure you have multiple versions if you are going to be working with multiple controllers that have different firmware versions. Another thing to remember is that the firmware version in the controller needs to match the software version that you have. So the main thing is that major revision number. So 30, if you're connecting to a controller with firmware version 30, it doesn't matter what the minor revision is most of the time. It just needs to have the same major revision number. So I hope that helps. And if you need more help learning how to work with Studio 5000 and Rockwell PLCs, Allen Bradley PLCs, check out myplctraining.com. We'd love to help you become a confident PLC programmer. And if you're wanting to advance your career into controls and automation, that's kind of what we specialize in. So we'll help you get the technical skills and help you get the career coaching and support you need to land in the next role that you need to get into controls and automation. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.